Welcome back. Popular Indian and Gujarati folk singer, performing artist and composer Falguni Pathak was live in concert at Dandiya and Garba 2016 in Austin, Texas. This was the artist's first performance in the Austin area, entertaining the audience with Garba and Bollywood songs during the ongoing celebrations of Navratri. Let's take a look at some highlights.
Dandiya queen Falguni Pathak is here in Austin on this beautiful full moon night. The name Falguni is synonymous with Navratri. Not only is she an outstanding singer, she's a phenomenal performer as well. She set the stage on fire in Dallas last night, and tonight she's getting geared up for Austin. A special thanks goes out to Dhoom Productions for bringing 2 back-to-back shows for us here in Texas.
Gathering together the massive South Asian community of Texas, the live concert and Garba event featured the vibrance and beauty of Garba festivities brought together by the popular playback artist. Dressed in ethnic Indian outfits, the crowd was thoroughly engaged in the music by Falguni Pathak, and key associated members gave an insight into bringing together the popular event.
This is a big event, and it's all of us that together, bringing all the community together. And Gujarati Dandiya night was phenomenal. This is a phenomenal crowd yesterday we had in Dallas and today in Austin.
Very good experience. Whole Austin supported us for this event, and I really thank you, Austin, Houston, Dallas, and everyone in Texas, and keep supporting us. We'll have more events coming up for you. Thank you so much.
ગુજરાતનું ગૌરવ એટલે ગરબા અને આજે ગરબે ઘૂમ્યા છે ન ખાલી ગુજરાતીઓ પણ ગામે ગામેથી આવેલા લોકો ગુજરાતી પંજાબી અને અલગ અલગ કોમના લોકોએ ગરબાની મજા માણી ખૂબ ખૂબ આનંદ આવ્યો ઓસ્ટિનમાં આપ સર્વે ભલે પધાર્યા.
How has your experience been with Austin and with Dhoom Production, Vishal, so far, since you have been performing and singing for so many years?
धूम प्रोडक्शन ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है मिस्टर विशाल. बहुत अच्छा अरेंजमेंट कल भी हमने डलास में किया, आज यहाँ ऑस्टिन में है. एंड एक्सीलेंट अरेंजमेंट एंड बहुत ही अच्छे होस्ट रहे वो. और आज हमको ऑडियंस ऑस्टिन में भी बहुत अच्छा मिला. और आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक द ऑडियंस ऑफ यूएसए जिन्होंने हमारा म्यूज़िक इतना पसंद किया और जिसकी वजह से हम बार बार पिछले 16 साल से यहाँ पर आ रहे हैं.
How did it get started with Navratri and Garba Dandiya songs, and you became a rage after that? So what was the transition from soundtracks and video music to Navratri?
म्यूज़िक एल्बम्स तो बहुत बाद में आए. शुरुआत मेरी व्हेन आई वाज 9 years old, मैंने ऑर्केस्ट्रा में गाना शुरू किया. आई यूज्ड टू सिंग ऑल फिल्म सॉन्ग्स तभी बचपन में. फिर 1987 में मुझे पहला डांडिया में गाने का ब्रेक मिला. उसमें आई यूज्ड टू सिंग एज अ कोरस सिंगर, मतलब बैकग्राउंड में खड़े होके. उसके बाद 1989 में एज अ लीड सिंगर मुझे पहली बार चांस मिला डांडिया में गाने का. तब से जो शुरुआत हुई वो मतलब स्टेप बाय स्टेप होते गए. 1994 में मैंने अपना ग्रुप ये जो ताथैया है वो फॉर्म किया.
Okay, so you started with Dandiya and Garba music, and you did the soundtrack and Bollywood in between, and then you kind of took off in your specialty after that.
जो म्यूज़िक कंपनी थी यूनिवर्सल, वो पहले चाहते थे कि डांडिया का एल्बम करें, नॉन स्टॉप एल्बम करें गुजराती, एज आई वाज नोन एज डांडिया सिंगर. फिर उन्होंने क्या मालूम लग बाई चांस जो भगवान की इच्छा होगी कि उन्होंने बोला कि फोक बेस्ड ही हम लोग एल्बम करते हैं, क्यों ना कि जो आप डांडिया में भी गा सको और ऐसे भी गा सको. तो हम लोग ने ये गाना बनाया, याद पिया के आने लगी चूड़ी जो खन की. दैट्स अ राजस्थानी फोक सॉन्ग.
I watch Falguni perform on stage, I just feel that she has a blessing from Ambe Mata herself. Every word, every song that she has sung today has come from her heart, from her soul. She has just mesmerized the audience here. This is Seema Govil with TV Asia.